Hi guys, so we're going to create a vision board here in Canva. So you want to click on create a design, and then we're going to use the desktop wallpaper because it's a fairly large canvas to work on. And then we're going to come over here and click on uploads, and you can upload your vision board images. I've just created a folder with images that I found on Google, just stock images that kind of pertain to some of the things that I want to put on my vision board. And so I'm just going to come over and select these all. And you see they're uploading to Canva, that little blue water bar there. And while it's uploading, I have searched under grids and selected a grid that has multiple squares that I can add my vision board images into. And so it's very simple. You just drag and drop, or you can double click on the image and the image will pop over your grid and you can drag it from there. I've just gotten into the drag and drop method. You can also double click on the image once you have dragged it in place, and that allows you to move it up or down. And so you just go through and position your images the way you'd like to see them, the way that's most aesthetically pleasing to you. I see that computer monitor image is a little bit taller than my grid, the first grid allows. So I'm just dragging over some additional grids and repositioning them using the handle. I want some to be a little taller than the others. I want some to be a little longer than the others in width. So just height and width differences, because I think that makes it more pleasing to the eye. So you can drag and position these images any way you'd like. And as you can see, there's a blank space right there in the middle next to the calendar. And I'm not going to even fill that in with a grid because Canva is very functional and you can actually just drag a photo over that blank area and reposition it with the handles. I'll show you here in just a second. So you just maneuver these. It's just that simple, and position them the way that you like best. What I also like about doing a digital vision board is that you can save it to your, because this is going to be my desktop wallpaper and my desktop background. I'm also probably going to have it as a screensaver for a few weeks out of the year on my phone, because you can download the images from your laptop to your phone. You can also print these out, and you can actually fill up your poster board if you want to do a regular poster board or cork board. So you can print these out and you can make as many of these desktop backdrops as you want. All you have to do is click on add a new page at the bottom and just begin doing the same process until you are satisfied with the number of images that you want to put on an actual poster board. And this is just a quick and simple and easy way to do it. And so you guys, I say happy vision board making because I actually love this part of the process. Like, it's really fun to me, and it's really easy to do. You don't have to worry about glue and tape and, things falling off. It's digital. So this is how you make your vision board in Canva.